Hello everyone, my name is Komal. I'm going to present the presentation of iTech 3001 System Evaluation on Fairshare website. Introduction and purpose of this website. Fairshare is started around 20 years ago. Major purpose of this organization is to provide surplus food to needy people. They release greenhouse gases to decompose the landfills. They have around 10,000 volunteers to work in rescued food. They produce around 2.5 million nutritious food every week and deliver to people. They circulate their prepared dinners to many Australian foundations every year to help improve the diet and strength of the people. The target audience of this charity are all the people who are needy, homeless, and who cannot afford the nutritious food. Methods to evaluate the usability testing. Heuristic evaluation. Usability experts conduct this evaluation in which there are interference of product by using their principles. It is performed by a group of people to analyze the interference and then results are identified for the improvement in design. Next is cognitive walkthrough. In this method, series of questions and tasks are asked from users. This method helps in recognizing the learnability of new users. Methods of usability testing. First is hallway testing. This testing is also known as guerrilla testing. In this testing, observers went to public places such as shopping center and asked opinion about their prototype. Participants for the test are chosen randomly. They are approached for the quick usability testing frequently in return of small gift. It is relatively simple and less expensive testing that helps the designer for feedback from users. This testing is best to perform during the early stage of design development process. Next is unmoderated remote usability testing. This testing does not involve any moderator. Participants are asked to perform the task in their own environment. It is a quick, cheap testing that helps in additional analysis. This testing works best when you need a large sample to validate your findings. However, this type of testing provides less detailed information. The other two methods include card sorting and contextual inquiry. In card sorting technique, cards are placed with content and features, and participants are asked to sort them and ask them the reason behind the logic. It is a testing that is suitable when designers want to know about the product architecture. After getting data from test users, you can make the more appropriate product. In contextual inquiry, questions, feedbacks, or experience are asked from the users. It is more like interview type of method. One can get more detailed information from this type of testing. Implementation of usability testing. Implementation of usability testing for Fairshare is conducted by using above discussed methods. Users perform the testing on this website. Overall, website got good reviews and feedback. 3 different people were chosen for testing of this website. Testing is performed on computer and Google Chrome browser was used. To perform usability testing, we need to create prototype, make test plan, find target users, and moderate test. The different types of age group people were selected for testing the and implementation of usability testing. Scenarios and tasks performed. The scenario of this website is to provide healthy food to homeless and to avoid wastage of food. The purpose of conducting this test is to note feedback from users if it is good or bad website. Hierarchy. The content of website is visible properly. Logo of website is attractive. Navigating website is easy. Font size of navigation bar is readable. Next is consistency. Background, color schemes, and tone of font is consistent. They have provided background images with caption on it which looks appealing. Accessibility. This website is very easily accessible. I can access this website even on different browsers and by using my cell phone. Conventionality. The logo of website is clickable. I can return to homepage by clicking the logo. Test results. These are the test results which I have gathered from the users by summarizing in a tabular form. Like, first question is, the layout of screen is understandable. The first two users were agree, or only one user was disagree. Navigation is easy. Two users were agree, one user neither agree nor disagree. Design interference is appealing. First user was strongly agree, second user was agree, third user didn't neither agree nor disagree. Color contrast is good. First user was strongly, two users were strongly agree and one user was agree. Search function is effective. Uh, First user neither agree nor disagree on this function, or while the two users was disagree, and so on. Recommendations. Strong points. Website homepage gives us clear picture about the purpose and target audience of the website. Website provides most of content and it is presented in a very nice way. Additionally, website is also has inserted the header and footer appropriately. Background images are provided to make the website attractive. Also, the text is readable. Weak points of this website includes search button should add in an effective manner to avoid confusion. There should be image slider to make website more attractive. Overall, navigation is good, but menu navigation needs the font size and color needs to be attractive. Graphics need to be more attractive and in a professionalism way. Background images are too big. These are some of the recommendations that needs to be done. Conclusion. To conclude, I have made the detailed report on website evaluation. I got feedback from users about their experience on this website. I gathered all the information and summarized my test results. Pureshare organization is doing a great work and I will return to this website and also recommend to others. However, there needs some minor changes. Overall, it is a very good website. Thank you.